Or shoulder.
Sandy. Things that.
Did you ever do that paragraph about an interesting fact about your family?
I forgot.
You still have to add that then, don't you? Or you don't want to do that part? You don't have to.
Sandy. Is that you?
Buddy? That's Remy.
Oh. It looks so much like you.
And this is Uncle Jeff, my mom, Aunt Dee, and Uncle Mike.
Hi, Andy. Oh, that's cute. I want Grammy's picture too. That almost looks exactly like you. Only actually weird.
Hey,
you're the pretty birdie.
What Grammy when I'm old? That looks a lot like her when I'm young.
What is that a picture of? When she's naked?
Diaper.
Oh.
Just can't use diaper because cat's in the way.
So yeah.
Yeah, Danielle, I'm gonna be holding a cat naked.
Who is that?
Who's that cute birdie?
That?
You?
That's Remy's
Hi
husband.
there.
I want that picture too.
Isn't he cute?
Are you supposed to do the... You don't have to do the part like Natalie did with the family, your picture and then your grandparents, and I did that. That wasn't part of it, right?
No, you don't have to do that. Just pictures from your family. Look at Randy's shoes.
He's a cutie.
You want some newer
He's a cute
ones?
birdie.
Other family?
I can show him.
He's dead, hooray, 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 hooray.
That's Daddy.
No, you can't. Huh?
That's
You can show him.
the barn.
Cool. Okay, say bye-bye, Andy.
Anything else?
Say bye-bye.
Do you have any